Hello, everyone. Welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is an open collaboration hosted by Crafty Girl Chronicles, and I will have her linked below as well as the hashtag, so be sure to check it and see what everyone else is doing. The idea behind this is to plan things so you don't get stressed about everything you have to do. And also, don't get stressed if you don't get everything done that you plan because plans are meant to change, right? That's what I was always told and how my work life used to always go for sure and life in general. Anyway, plus it's kind of fun. You can decorate it or not decorate it, but just write things down. Doesn't have to be in a formal planner. Can just be in a little book or pieces of paper, whatever you want to do. But plan out your week so that you don't stress about what you have to get done. It puts it all in one place and it actually puts my mind at ease and I can refer to it throughout the week, and I do. And when I don't, I mess things up, which happened last week once. Anyway, I digress. So today is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. It is April 22nd. And I've been doing a card series, a card a day for Earth Day. It started last Friday, and I'm going to go through this Thursday, the 25th. But so I decided to do greens, and I have this set of washi tape from Recollections that I hadn't used a whole lot, quite honestly. So I used this row, but I also brought this one in because I thought it matched really well, and it's flowers. And this has flowers and birds, and this says beautiful. This says make today amazing, which I thought was appropriate for a planner. I did use some of this as well. And I think that's about it. So let me move that. And then the books I used today are just a couple out of this watercolor book. I used some birds and flowers and things out of this Maggie Holmes sticker book that I got at Tuesday morning. And this is here so we can do our silly little gratitude thing. But let me show you the layout first. Here it is. Why does it look so dark? Is it dark to you on screen? I don't know. Maybe it's just my eyes. Anyway, this is it for the week of April 22nd through Sunday, April 28th. Again, I'm just using my black and blue pen. The blue goes nice with it this time, not so much the black. And I have checked the weather, and every day but one, two, are supposed to be fully sunny, and the temperatures are from 60 to 77 next Sunday. So I have walk on every single day, even if it's just up and down the street a couple times. I need to be out and just walk. So I'm figuring either right before lunch or right after lunch, I'm going to go out and walk because the hottest part of the day is around 3 o'clock, and especially on Sunday. 77 is starting to be a little too hot for me. That's Fahrenheit. All these temps are in Fahrenheit. So I need to be out and walking late morning typically, usually before lunchtime, before noon, because noon is when the sun's the highest and I have to watch the sun because I've had melanoma in the past. So anyway, sorry about that. That was, of course, my phone. Let me put it on silent because it's going to bing again in a minute. It's a message. So I just have washi, washi, washi. Oops. Make today amazing here and down here. I found a leaf in the Maggie Holmes. I don't have a tree, but I had a leaf. Start today, basically get everything done kind of thing. The birds, the yellow flowers, the butterflies, they're all out of the Maggie Holmes book. The plan and enjoy the little things, which I see I got on crooked, are out of that watercolor book, and they're the only ones actually. And I'm all about enjoying the little things. So today is planner day. My card a day for Earth Day should already be up for today because I did it yesterday, and there's 3 cards in that, so go watch that. I can scratch off do planner. I usually like to do this column in the blue, but that's okay. I have to make a card a day next for tomorrow's video. And I did start on Penny's challenge last week, and I got about a little more than halfway done. I got the envelope stack done, and I got a little bit of ephemera done, but I need to do a lot more ephemera. So that's for today. I have to call a place. We got an estimate for last year or so, maybe two, yeah, I think it was last year. It was too expensive. But we decided, my son and I, that we're going to do that and hold off on the dishwasher that we need because the dishwasher's still running. It's just, yeah, showing signs of wear. So we're going to do the doors first because that's outside, makes the house look nicer, you know. Get the walk-in, and I need to schedule a visit with my friend Sue and her newish little puppy, Pixie. And that text is, she just sent me some available dates that we can get together from her schedule, and I need to check my schedule now and get back to her. Okay, tomorrow I have to go to the post office to mail Penny's challenge project and maybe a couple other things. And I need to go to two grocery stores, the sort of discount one, Aldi and Giant, because Aldi doesn't have some things that we like and that we're starting to need. And I'm trying to eat out of the freezer, and I'm trying really hard to eat only protein and vegetables, with very few carbs here and there. I'm doing pretty good, but the weight's not coming off yet, and I need to get that. But my blood sugar has been much better, so I'm happy about that. I need to bring it down more, but it's coming down, so I'm happy, happy, happy. And 5 a.m. is when I'm scheduling, Eastern time, when I'm scheduling a card a day for Earth Day. So that'll be up once I schedule it from here. Tomorrow is Altered Index 2024. As soon as I know the prompts, I'll write them in here. That's from Nonstop Paper Crafts. And I have to make a card a day for day 6. Unless I do 2 cards here and just schedule it out, which is a possibility, and walk. And that video, though, for Altered Index might not go up till here because of running these errands and stuff. Wednesday, again, make a card and sort of doing some household cleaning. The litter, I need to really scrub the bathroom. I cleaned it over the weekend, of course, but I need to really, scrub down the tub, bleach it, as Jazzy would say. Okay, my top 3 is actually top 4. Walk, keep eating well, get more sleep. That's an issue. There's something going on with my cat. That reminds me, I need to add that in here too somewhere to call the vet. Because she's being very verbal and she never used to be. It's just been like the last 6 months, but lately it's been, although she didn't today, but she's been very vocal and usually at like starting at 3:30 in the morning. Anyway, right now she's asleep on my son's bed, so yay. And also I put take time to appreciate family, nature, and me. And me is one, you might think otherwise, but I don't really appreciate me, and I need to do more of that. There are some days I don't ever even get dressed. I stay in my pajamas, and I need to stop doing that because I feel so much better when I take care of myself. Get up, get moving, get dressed, shower, feel good. Maybe occasionally do my nails, but my nails are such a mess. I don't know about that. Anyway, appreciate yourself. Excuse me, because I know there are many of us that have that same issue. I don't know if it's, a crafter thing or what it is, but I just know that's true. Okay. Thursday, I have to do hashtag Deck the Year, week 17, and I do have a plan for that already. I'm not going to share it right now. And the video, making the card a day, day 7, this is the finale for Earth Day. So what I'll do is the day 7 card, probably a process video, and then the finale is basically I'll share all the cards I made, which is going to be more than 7 because as of right now, 2 days have multiple cards. I don't know if the rest of the week will or not, but yeah, so it's going to be more than 7 cards, and I'll just do a finale. And also, I have to do a drawing for a hidden giveaway, and I'm not going to tell you where that hidden giveaway was. Um, I'll just say it was in a video from last week. And of course, the video for hashtag Deck the Year Week 17. Friday, I don't have any videos planned. I need to make jewelry and do a video, but I don't know when that video go up because sometimes jewelry takes me multiple days and walk, and that's all I'm putting on there because jewelry will be an all-day thing probably. Saturday, oh, and I have on Thursday make a stencil a month series card, or I don't know what it'll be. It might not be a card. We'll see. That I always try and get up on the 27th of the month. So video a stencil a month series. And I need to take time to sort all my cards that I've made. I have piles of them in different boxes on the floor next to me, and some in a drawer that's behind them that I can't even open the drawer, and some Christmas ones downstairs in my dining room still from when I was doing Christmas cards to get them mailed out, and some out on my enclosed patio that have been there for over a year that probably most of them can be tossed, except that some of them are in nice card containers, and actually I hope they're still okay because with the changing weather out there, the cold and the hot, I don't know. I hope the plastic that they're in there, there's nice sturdy boxes with the cards for sorting them even, and if I just keep enough to fill one of those and start sending the rest out or donating them, I'll be in good shape. So that's the plan. I'm gonna donate or toss or organize all my cards. That's my plan for Saturday. And that'll be a start to cleaning up this craft room too, and my patio and my dining room. Sunday, walk early because it's going to be hot. That's, like I said, almost too hot. Do the planner for the following week, which I didn't do this time. I'm doing it on Monday. And Sunday is clean house. And actually, it's plus trash and recycle that night. And of course, the litter and all that, which comes before the trash and recycle. I do the litter twice a week because it's one cat and it's not that bad for her. So that is it. Let's do our, oh, down here, I already told you this. This saying, I had to put a sticker here because the thing I stamped here, Reach for the Stars, kind of came through a little bit. So I was going to stamp a tree up here, but I couldn't because I knew it would show through. Anyway, the most real of all splendors are not in outward things, they are within us. Honore de Balzac. Honore, Honore has the thingy, de Balzac. Don't know who that is, but I like the saying. I also already wrote a gratitude, and it says, I am very grateful to have the chance to track my health and try to get it back on track. So that's where I'm at with that. Let me get the book, which I stuck under here. All right, time to close my eyes and open the book. I'm going to just do a, what is that on? Playgrounds. Okay, well, I'm grateful for playgrounds for the children. Okay, per the book. Number 429. Playgrounds. And gives the children somewhere fun to release some energy. When I was growing up, I lived a block and a half away from my elementary school, which is no longer a school. But anyway, we used to love to walk down and go to the playground, and we were walkers, And in that day and age, we actually sometimes walked home for lunch, which, is unheard of nowadays. But yeah, back then we did. We did a lot of walking and even during school hours. So that's my planner. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check out Crafty Girl Chronicles and use the hashtag and see who else is playing along as well and see what they do for their planning and trying to stay on track with life. Take care, happy Earth Day, and have a wonderful week. Bye for now.